Good evening, people. This is Ezequiel speaking, and this is Ezequiel News. We're gonna have a special guest. Please welcome to Sir Isaac Newton.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Let's begin with the interview. Thanks. And our best reporter, Victor Reyna.
Thanks, Mr. Chives. We will present a special interview about the laws of physics. Hello, he is welcome to Sir Isaac Newton. How are you, Isaac Newton?
Oh, I am very good. What about you?
I'm good. Good. Very right. I want you to answer a few questions about your theories.
Alright.
How many laws do you propose?
I propose 3 laws.
Okay. Can you explain to us your 3 laws and give us an example?
Yes, of course I will explain to you. Alright, the first law of my motions law concerns that an object that is in rest, his velocity or its velocity, it's 0. But if we implement a force, an external force, the velocity of this object can change. That's I will go to present an example with this potato. Alright? This potato is in rest. You can focus the camera. Yeah. This potato is in rest. But if we implement a force, an external force, the velocity of this object change. You see? There isn't no more in rest. So that's my first law. My second law is about acceleration. Acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass. When the greater the mass, the greater the amount of force we needed. Everyone knows the second law. In the real world, all humans can accelerate everything. I just need to accelerate this potato by implement a force. If this potato is light, we need a light force. But if we want to carry an heavier object, we need to implement an more extremely force. So if we want to carry a stone, we need to put more force. Yeah. The third law is about action and reaction. That means for every action there is an equal reaction. For example, a rocket. When a rocket needs to be exposed to out of the planet, the rocket implements a force right there. So when the combustion is success, the rocket is impulsed up. But the power of the combustion gets down. So that's how a rocket gets out of the planet. The rocket goes up, and the reaction is about the combustion force.
Okay, well, thank you, Sir Newton, for that explication. Let's go back with you, Ezequiel.
Something shocking about the earthquake that occurred in Mexico City. Death toll as a result of the earthquake of September 19 reached 192 in Mexico City. 124 are women and 68 men. 29 are kept and 69 people have been rescued from the rubble within the affair. That is, if was a very serious event, we hope to have more positive reactives. That left 192 death scenes in the latest information cut on Monday. The head of government, Miguel Ángel Mancera, reported that
the weather for this week will on the Thursday we will have probability of rain with the maximum of 23 and the minimum of 16. On Friday we will have a maximum of 22 degrees and the minimum of 15 degrees, with probability of rain on Saturday, a maximum of 21 and the minimum of 14, and the Saturday day a maximum of 22 and minimum of the 14, with probability of the rain at the weekend. Until here my reports on the day of today. We return to the study with your heavy tank.